Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to rotate pie chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, category, list and sales amount. So here I'm going to first create a pie chart. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the pie chart and select here the first 2D pie chart. And here you can see your pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Now I just drag the corner point and increase the size of the pie charts. And you can set anywhere you can move these charts. Okay. Now I'm going to rotate this pie chart. Simply right click on the any slice of these pie charts and click on the format data series option. And you can see the right hand side, the format data series is open. There's a series option, the angle of first slice. Just click on this here online. You can see the pie chart is rotate showing. Okay, see the rotation is showing. Okay. And the second here, the pie explosions. Okay. Just click on here and see the explosion of the every slice of the pie chart. See, you can set as you want. Okay. So I set here the, you can drag and set also one slice. So you just drag. Okay, this is a point explosions. You can easily set. Okay, so this is a way you can rotate your pie chart in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.